The sun is a dash, sun is a star. Which from the following is not a conductor? All are these. ठीक है, ना ही aluminium, gold और graphite, इन तीनों में से कोई भी कंडक्टर नहीं है. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze at last? Sea water. ठीक है. The planet which is easily visible from the earth is Venus. What is dry ice? Sodium carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide is a dry ice. ठीक है. The good source of vitamin B complex are seeds. ठीक है. What covers dash of the earth surface? 71%. The three elements needs for healthy growth of plant are dash N, P and K. ठीक है. तो जी हमारे यहाँ पर अगेन नेक्स्ट हमारा MCQ है जी. Which of the following element is not present abundantly in earth crust? Radium. Dr. Abdus Salam of Pakistan was one of the contributor of the unification of dash electromagnetic force and weak nuclear force. ठीक है. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. Diamond is a very expensive ornament. It is composed of a single element, carbon. Moon sum is caused by seasonal reversal of winds. ठीक है. Next MCQ है जी. The first fruit without seeds like banana are called dash. Parthenoca rips fruits. ठीक है जी. Magnifying power of a simple microscope can be increased by decreased focal length of the lens. Total of blood is in a normal adult human being 5 to 6 liters. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Livers. Which of the following disease is caused by a virus? Smallpox. Which part of the camera is analog to the retina in the human eye? Film. TV transmissions cannot cover a very large area because the shape of the earth spherical. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर जी हमारा MCQ बनेगा. What is the high effective coolant for a car engine because water has very high specific heat capacity. ठीक है. The theory of expanding universe was the propounding by dash Hubble. नेक्स्ट हमारा यहाँ पर जी MCQ है. The proton and neutron are found in the center of the atom which is called dash of atom, nucleus. Vertebral column in human being consists of how many bones या how many vertebra? तो 33 आती हैं जी. Which of these plants open in mouth when insects sit on its lid? Pritchard plants. ठीक है. Short sight defect could be corrected by the dash lenses. Concave lenses. Sunlight is a great source of vitamin D. Current stage of star sun is dash yellow. ठीक है. Next, the pancreas secrete insulin. When a star become a singularity and has zero volume and infinity density, it is called dash black hole. The mirror used in the automobiles are dash convex. Bar is the unit of dash atmospheric pressure. Why normal rain is slightly acidic? Carbon dioxide and water in clouds react to form carbonic acid. That's why जो normal यानी कि जो हल्की बारिश होती है वो इसलिए ज़्यादा एसिडिक होती है. The scientific study of the insect is known as entomology. ठीक है. The temperature of the surface of sun is dash 5778 Kelvin. The sun is at an average distance of about million kilometers away from Earth 150 million away. ठीक है. Next यहाँ पर हमारा MCQ है जी. For which one of the following is the density maximum of water? Inhaled air passage through which of the following in the last? Bronchioles. डियर कैंडिडेट्स, टेस्ट की प्रॉपर तैयारी के लिए आप लोग हमारे दिए गए व्हाट्सअप नंबर के ऊपर रब्ता कर सकते हैं. हमारी क्लासेस स्टार्ट और आप लोग इन क्लासेस का हिस्सा बन सकते हैं, जिसमें आप लोगों को PDF की फॉर्म में इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs प्रोवाइड करेंगे. ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स की आपकी लाइव क्लासेस ली जाएंगी और साथ ही आपके ऑनलाइन वीकेंड टेस्ट भी कंडक्ट किए जाएंगे. सेशन हमारे स्टार्ट हैं, आप लोग अभी ज्वाइन करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर के ऊपर रब्ता कर सकते हैं. विटामिन B इज फाउंड इन सीड्स. ड्यूरिंग अ टोटल सोलर eclipse there is most likely to be dash a decrease in the rate of photosynthesis. ठीक है. The second most abundant metal found in the earth crust is dash silicon. In the electricity meter, the digit to the extreme right is dash 1/10th of the unit. Saliva contain amylase. Nail polish remover contain acetone. Earth rotate the sun in dash 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. ठीक है, बहुत MCQ था जी. तो आज की वीडियो को हम लोग यहाँ पर एंड करते हैं. अगर आप लोगों ने टेस्ट की प्रॉपर तैयारी करनी है तो आप लोग हमारे दिए गए कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर के ऊपर रब्ता कर सकते हैं. मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में एक नई अपडेट के साथ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.